Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and you guys have known for years I've had the Flies grill, which is a little 4x4 grill, goes on a wood burning stove, and people have long since asked me for other scrap titanium, so something that would be a little bit bigger that they could put on top of a fire pit. So now we got the titanium Fleas and Flies fire pit grills, and you see, it's our scrap. This is titanium. They're about 6 by 12 and 6 by 13. And you're just gonna go and put this maybe on a couple rocks that are inside the fire pit to elevate it. It's gonna get nice and hot. It puts a good sear on your steak. You could fit 2 steaks on here or quite a few burgers. So that is the Flies and the Fleas grill. Thank you, everybody.